Hello people. Today's topic of learning is classical and folk dances of India. We will see various classical dances and folk dances and its state of origin. Let's begin with classical dances. So, Bharatanatyam has the state of origin in Tamil Nadu, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha has Odissi, and similarly Kathakali in Kerala, Satriya in Assam, Manipuri, Manipur, Mohiniyattam, Kerala. Then we have folk dances and its state of origin. Let's see which folk dances are popular in Andhra Pradesh. Vilasini Natyam, Bhamakalpam, Veeranatyam, Dappu, Tapetagali, Lambadi, Dhimsha, Kolattam. Then let's see Arunachal Pradesh. We have Buya, Chalo, Wancho, Pashi Konki, Ponum, Popir. In Assam, the folk dances are Bihu, Bichua, Nath Puja, Maurashtra, Kaligopal, Bagru Mamba, Nag dance, Khel Gopal. In Bihar, we have Jata Jatin, Bakho Bakhan, Panwariya. In Chhattisgarh, we have Gaur Maria, Panthi, Raut Nach, Pandwani, Vedmati, Kapalik. In Gujarat, we have Garba, Dandiya, Ras, Tipani, Judiyun, Bhavai. In Goa, we have Tarangamel, Kohli, Dekhni, Phugdi, Shigmo, Tosh, Modni, Shamai, Nritya, Jagar, Ranmel. In Haryana, whereas we have Jhumar, Phag, Daf, Dhamal, Pur, Gugga, Khor. In Himachal Pradesh, we have Thor, Khalid, Chadhi, Dhaman, Chapeli, Mahashu. Whereas in Jammu Kashmir, we have Rauf, Hikat, Manjas, Kud, Dandiya, Nach. Whereas in Jharkhand, we have Alkap, Karma Munda, Agni, Jhumar, Janani, Jhumar, Paika, Phagua. Whereas in Karnataka, the folk dances are Yokshagna, Huttari, Shuggi, Kunitha, Karga. In Kerala, Ottam Thullal, Kaikoti Kalli. In Maharashtra, we have Patki, Nakata, Koli, Lezim, Gafa, Dahikala, Dasavatar, whereas in Madhya Pradesh we have Jawara, Matki, Ada, Khada Naach, Phulpatti, Pride Dance, Sela Ladki, Sela Bhadoni. Whereas in Manipur we have Dol Cholam, Thang Ta, Lai, Haraoba, Pong Cholam. Whereas in Meghalaya we have Katsatsuk, Minshiam, Nongkrem, Lahore. Whereas in Mizoram we have Rangma, Bamboo Dance, Ziliang, Shuirolians, Gethin Glim. Whereas in Odisha the folk dances are Savari, Ghumar, Panka, Munari. Let's see Punjab. In Punjab we have Bhangra, Gidda, Daf, Dhaman, Bhand. Whereas in Rajasthan we have Ghumar, Chakri, Gangor, Jhulan, Leela, Jhuma, Suisini, Ghapal. In Tamil Nadu, Kimi, Kolattam, Kawadi. In Sikkim, we have Chuphat, Shikmari, Shingicham or the Snow Lion, Gangor Cham, Tanjong, Jena, Tashianku. In Tripura, we have Hojagiri. In Uttar Pradesh, Nautanki, Rasila, Kajri, Jhoda, Chapeli. In Uttarakhand, Garhwali, Kumayuni, Kazari, Jhoda, Rasila. To revise more such vital topics like functions of RBI, BIMSTEC, crops of India, rivers, forests, mountains, hills, events during different governor generals and viceroys, and different movements, and geography and topography of India and the world, and more general, vibrant, and important topics. Stay tuned to your own channel. Also, please comment topics which you want to revise. Subscribe to our channel and check the channel playlist for quick revision of topics made easy just for you.